How to fix any net network error. Hello friends, you might be facing any net network error related to AnyDesk remote desktop app. The error may be anynet unknown error, anynet not supported, anynet no DNS entry, could not connect to AnyDesk network anynet underscore 19, or any other error related to anynet. Follow the steps to fix it in the methods. The first method is check AnyDesk server status. Launch a browser, type AnyDesk server status, press enter, click on this link. Here see if the server is operational. If you find the server not operational, then you will have to wait for some time. Here I can see scheduled maintenance is currently in progress. We will provide updates as necessary. Once the server will be online, the AnyDesk will be working properly and the error should be automatically fixed. The next method is allow the AnyDesk app in Firewall. Sometimes Firewall may block the incoming connections from AnyDesk and lead to anynet network error. So follow these steps. Click on search, type security, click on Windows security here. On this app, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Click on this link, allow an app through Firewall. A new window will appear. Here click on Change Settings. Click on Allow another app. Over here, click on Browse. Find anydesk.exe in the C drive. Go to C drive. The file will be available in either of three folders: program files x86, or program data. Let's check in this folder. Open AnyDesk. Here is anydesk.exe. Select this file and click on Open. Click on Add. AnyDesk is already in the list of exceptions. On my computer, this file is already added, so this message is showing. Once completed, click on OK to save the change. Then restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, check date and time settings. Problems with synchronization between date and time settings and zone might trigger this error. So check both the settings. Click on Start, go to Settings, click on Time and Language, Date and Time. Here set the time zone accurately and click on Sync now. Close the Settings app and reinstall the AnyDesk application. Reinstalling AnyDesk is necessary after the time and settings is changed. So don't skip this step. Right click on Start, select Installed Apps. For AnyDesk, click on three dots, select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. Yes. Check the box for Remove Configuration Files. Click on Uninstall. AnyDesk has been removed. Click on OK. Then restart your computer. And then install the AnyDesk application. Go to the browser, find AnyDesk, type AnyDesk and press enter. Click on Download Windows. Click on download now. Once downloaded, click on anydesk.exe and check if the error is not showing. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.